Information is everywhere and everyone should be able to access it. Jyoti AI Vision Glasses. Access to information, access to opportunity. Every day, information is all around us. Metro station, class notes, colors, medicine labels, currency, signboards, WhatsApp documents. For most people, it's just a glance away. But for a person with visually impairment, much of this information remains inaccessible.
A visually impaired college student arrives at a metro station. She wears Jyoti AI Vision Glasses. She presses the front button. An image is captured.
You are standing inside a metro station. The ticket counter is straight ahead. Two people are waiting in front of the counter. A digital display above shows the next train.
With just one click, information becomes accessible.
Knowledge should never depend on sight because every student deserves equal access to learning. With Jyoti AI Vision, every page comes to life.
Department of Statistics Vision to become a globally accredited and highly respected center for data science. To nurture budding statisticians.
She taps Translate. English instantly becomes Hindi.
For me, every page is now easier to understand. I can read printed documents naturally. Tables and formatting stay exactly the way they were meant to be, helping me learn with confidence.
Sometimes accessibility is about more than reading. It's about sharing everyday moments with the people around you.
So, how do I look today?
You look good today.
Thanks.
In just a second, her Jyoti AI Vision analyzes the scene.
A young woman wearing a black top is sitting in front of you and smiling.
Black suits on you.
Arey, thank you.
Because meaningful conversations begin with understanding. Jyoti AI Vision makes everyday moments more inclusive. Independence is also about making everyday choices with confidence. Inside a grocery store, she captures everyday products using Jyoti AI Vision.
Rice, pulses, brown chana, kachi ghani mustard oil.
She then explores a clothing section. She captures a top.
A sky blue top.
At the billing counter, from shopping to payments, Jyoti AI Vision also helps identify currency instantly.
500 rupees.
Shopping used to mean depending on someone else. Today, I can identify everyday products, choose what I like, and even verify my currency before making a payment. It's not just about shopping, it's about having confidence to make my own choice.
Independence doesn't end outside. It continues at home. She captures a medicine using Jyoti AI Vision.
Vitamin C chewable tablets. 500 milligrams. Lim C orange flavor.
Beyond medicines, everyday essentials become accessible too. She captures the contents of a refrigerator.
Curd. Milk. Buttermilk. Vegetables.
From medicine to everyday essential information is always within a reach. Accessibility should not stop at printed pages because today so much of my information is digital too. I simply upload the documents and within a second it's accessible. I can read it, translate it, summarize it, export it, or share it with ease.
Every digital document becomes accessible, anytime, anywhere. Finding information should be just as easy as accessing it. Every scanned document is securely saved and organized. Open the Jyoti AI app, go to the library, tap View Cloud Documents. Open your Class 10 mark sheet in just a tap.
Whenever I need an important document, I know exactly where to find it. With Jyoti AI Vision, staying connected feels effortless. I can answer my call with just a single press.
Hello? Yeah. I will do that. Definitely. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. We'll meet. Bye.
And I enjoy my favorite music without reaching for my phone. And yes, it keeps me connected wherever I go. No matter where I am, my documents are always with me. I simply sign into Jyoti and everything is there. My notes, my books, my certificates, my important documents all in one secure place. Accessible from my glasses, my phone or my computer. Every day I make countless decisions and every decisions begin with informations. When information becomes accessible, opportunity becomes possible. Jyoti AI Vision does not change who I am, it changes what I can access and that changes everything. Because independence begins with information.
Jyoti, AI vision. Access information, access opportunities, live with confidence. Powered by AI, powered by inclusion. Torch it.